Hello everyone, this is Simon. I have an amazing announcement for you today. Please pay attention. This will be a life-changing opportunity I wanted to share with you that you can increase your income to six-figure. Yes, I said it, $100,000 per year income. But before I start, I want to let you know a little bit about this amazing company, Linkedlines. It's established in 2007 with the mission of helping the diasporas in Washington, D.C. area to jumpstart their career in IT field. In the past 13 years, they have trained and certified over 3,000 people. I encourage you to visit their website so you can read some of the testimonies how those students' life has been changed. And most of the students actually recognized as one of the best in their field. Now with this technology changing and most companies shifting to Amazon Web Services, they have created an online course to train you to become certified on this industry leading Amazon Web Services, AWS. The main reason they started an online course is to give you an opportunity to be trained virtually anywhere in the world. Also to give you a head start so you can be ahead in this industry. The amazing part is that all it takes is a desire to learn and an access to a computer with the internet. Anyone from a beginner level can get started on this. Linkedlines created a system with their so many years experience. They created a system and an environment that makes it easy for you to become an expert and certified in a very short time frame. Linkedlines trainers have so many years experience and knowledge on which skills is in demand on the IT field. That's the main reason why they started this hands-on Amazon Web Services and project-based AWS bootcamp. This bootcamp will be for beginners or advanced. The beginners class will start on June 15th and it takes 4 weeks, but if you need a little bit more time, they'll be happy to work with you. For the IT professionals who has an IT professional background, their advanced class will start on June 29th. Please visit their website for more information, linkedlines.com, and register for classes on training.linkedlines.com. But another good news is, due to the pandemic, they wanted to help out and they have reduced their price by 85%. Can you believe that? Reduced by 85%. Their regular price was $2,200, but now all you had to pay is $309. This is an amazing, huge discount. Only $309 for you to start earning six figures soon. But when your mission is to help people, is why it's easier for them to reduce their prices by 85%. The reason I'm sharing this with you is because I know what it means. If you get certified with this, I know what it means, how it's going to change your life. So don't take chances. I want you to get registered and start training right away. So remember this, the beginners class will start on June 15th. If you are a beginner on any IT field, you can start taking this course. It will take you 4 weeks, but if you need a little bit more time, they'll be more than happy to work with you. But for the advanced IT background individuals, can register for June 29th for the advanced class. But if you want to start beginner's level, you're more than welcome to register for the beginner too on June 15th. But Hurry, and you don't want it to miss out on this big opportunity. Hurry up and register it right away if you can, so you take this advantage on this discount. So visit the website at training.linkedlines.com, and for more information you can always call them 1-833-588-0333, 1-833-588-0333. Take care. This is Simon again. If you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you do so. As always, thank you. Give us a thumbs up. I will catch you on the next video. Take care.